Have you ever noticed how some kitchens feel expensive the moment you walk into them? They're not necessarily larger. They don't always have marble countertops or custom cabinetry, but somehow they feel polished, organized, and effortless. The kind of kitchen where everything seems to have a purpose and nothing feels out of place. What's interesting is that the difference usually isn't a renovation. It's the small details. The kitchens that feel the most luxurious are often built around thoughtful upgrades that improve both how the space looks and how it functions. And the best part is that many of these upgrades are completely renter-friendly. Today, I'm sharing 7 tiny kitchen upgrades that can make your kitchen feel like a chef's dream without spending thousands of dollars. And one of these completely changed the way my kitchen looked in less than 10 minutes. Let's get started. Number 1, under cabinet lighting. The first upgrade is under cabinet lighting. If you've ever wondered why designer kitchens seem to glow, this is often the reason. Most apartment kitchens rely on a single overhead fixture, which creates shadows across the countertops and can make the entire room feel flat. Professional kitchens use layered lighting because it makes the space more functional and much more inviting. Adding rechargeable LED light bars underneath your cabinets instantly creates that custom look. They make food prep easier, brighten dark work surfaces, and create a warm glow that feels surprisingly high-end at night. It's one of those upgrades people notice immediately, even if they can't quite explain why the kitchen suddenly feels more expensive. Number 2, peel and stick backsplash tiles. This second upgrade creates one of the biggest visual transformations on this list. A lot of rental kitchens are held back by dated finishes or blank walls that make the space feel unfinished. That's why peel and stick backsplashes have become so popular. The newest styles look remarkably realistic. You can find beautiful options inspired by Lvely tile, marble, limestone, and handcrafted ceramics. Installation is usually straightforward, but the impact can feel like a completely different kitchen. Every time you walk into the room, your eyes are naturally drawn to the backsplash. And when it's paired with under cabinet lighting, the entire kitchen feels more custom and intentional. Number 3, new cabinet hardware. This third upgrade might be the highest impact change for the least amount of effort. If your kitchen still has basic builder-grade knobs or outdated pulls, swapping them out can completely change the personality of the space. Designers often refer to cabinet hardware as the jewelry of the kitchen. The cabinets themselves don't change, but the hardware instantly makes them feel more elevated. Some of the most expensive-looking options are warm brass, champagne bronze, and matte black. Many renters are surprised to learn that this upgrade is often reversible. Simply save the original hardware and reinstall it before moving out. It's a small detail, but it's one you see and touch every single day. Number 4, a pull-down faucet attachment. One thing chef-inspired kitchens do exceptionally well is reduce friction. Everything works smoothly. Being able to rinse produce, clean dishes, fill pots, and wash the sink more easily makes everyday cooking feel noticeably better. Number 5, a statement wooden cutting board. The fifth upgrade is a large wooden cutting board that stays on display. Designers use this trick all the time because it adds warmth and texture while still serving a practical purpose. A substantial cutting board leaning against the backsplash instantly creates that relaxed chef kitchen aesthetic people love. The key is choosing one that feels substantial. Walnut, acacia, and teak all work beautifully. It's functional, timeless, and it makes the kitchen feel lived in rather than stage. Number 6, motion sensor cabinet lighting. The sixth upgrade is rechargeable motion sensor lighting inside cabinets and pantries. By now, you've probably noticed a theme. One of the biggest differences between an ordinary kitchen and a luxury kitchen is layered lighting. The under cabinet lighting brightens your countertops, but many high-end kitchens also illuminate what's behind the cabinet doors. Opening a pantry and having it automatically light up feels surprisingly luxurious. It's one of those details that makes a kitchen feel custom built. Today's rechargeable versions install in minutes with adhesive backing. No wiring, no electrician, no damage to your rental. When combined with under cabinet lighting, the entire kitchen feels brighter, smarter, and more thoughtfully designed. Number 7, Luxe Finishing Details. The final upgrade isn't one item, it's the finishing layer that makes everything else look more expensive. Many kitchens have the basics covered, but they still don't feel elevated because they're missing warmth, texture, and personality. That's where a few carefully chosen accessories can completely transform the space. Start with matching glass storage containers for everyday staples like coffee, pasta, or snacks. Then swap out worn or mismatched dish towels for fresh, neutral ones that coordinate with the rest of your kitchen. A simple ceramic utensil crock can add both function and visual interest while keeping your most used cooking tools within easy reach. And don't underestimate the power of a small piece of framed art leaning on a countertop or open shelf. None of these upgrades are expensive on their own, but together they create the kind of layered, collected look you often see in designer kitchens. Because luxury isn't just about expensive materials, it's about thoughtful presentation. And sometimes the smallest details are what make a space feel truly finished. The biggest takeaway here is that a chef-inspired kitchen isn't really about having more space. It's about creating a kitchen that feels intentional. Better lighting, better functionality, better details. When those elements come together, even a small rental kitchen can feel surprisingly luxurious. I'd love to know which of these upgrades you're planning to try first, so let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy renter-friendly ideas that make your home look more expensive without a major renovation, be sure to subscribe to Lovely Living. Thanks for watching.